Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to allow people to duet, stitch, and save your videos on TikTok. But before I begin, remember to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any uploads on the channel. And also, post suggestions I should do for other tech tutorials in the comments below. That would really help. Okay, let's get right into it. So first, when you go on TikTok, you start on your home page. So you're going to have to go to the Me page, which is a little person icon in the bottom right. So then you're going to have to click the three dots, and then go to privacy, and then scroll down a little so you see safety. So down here you can see everything. You can see who can duet your videos, who can stitch, who can view likes, who can view your videos to be downloaded. So you're going to want to turn this one on, allow your videos to be downloaded. That basically means saved. Who can duet your videos, you can choose, and if you want anyone to duet it, just click everyone. And who can stitch your videos, click everyone if you want everyone to duet it. Stitch it. So after that, let's just make a quick test TikTok. Okay, I created this random TikTok. Let me just turn it down. And over here, you want to turn these ones on also. So only duet is off by default, so you want to turn that on. Just hit the switch. If you want to turn any of these off, just hit the switch also. Then I'm just going to click post. Okay, and now I'm going to show proof that it works. Okay, I went on some random alt account I had, and I'm now on my TikTok page. So I click the video, and when I click share, it allows me to duet it. See, duets work, and stitches work. And if I hold on to it, and saving works also. So yeah, that's about it for the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.